Oh, Moteo, please, let, ask to your, friend and tell to your friend that you have, tawag doon, the Filipino, YouTuber, always watch my videos. Tama ba? I'm 15 years old. Oh, you're very young. You're very young. Study hard. Study hard, Mateo. I will do that. Okay. Tell your friend. Share my video in your social media account and yan. What time is in the film? It's already 1:32 p.m. in the afternoon. How about in your country? What time is it in the Africa? How to say salamat in Africa? How to say thank you in Africa? How to say thank you in Africa? Lina, yon, God bless. Shoutout sa'yo, Lina. Hintayin na lang kita matapos mag-live, kuya, bago ako off CP ko. Pero share ko itong live. Oy, salamat sa'yo ha. Salamat sa'yo, Alicia. Gabriel, yan. Salamat sa'yo ha. You say, Tanki. What's Tanki? Tanki means thank you, right? Tanki. Seven out. 7:33 a.m. Watching from Malaysia yan, ma'am, no? Watching from Malaysia, Lina. Okay, Tanki Moteo. Tanki. How about take care in Africa? Take care in the Philippines, ingat. And how about in English, ingat? In Tagalog, ingat. In English, take care. How about in your language, Africa? I have a cup. Hey. Akin mamanak. Salakali. Okay, ingat. Salakali. Tanki and Salakali, Moteo. God bless. See you on another live or see you in my another upload video. Comment in my another video, right? God bless. God bless. Ayun, shoutout sa ating mga manood dyan. Ayan, see you. I will comment. Alright, thank you so much, Mateo. Take care. And God bless. Yun, big shoutout sa ating mga viewers dyan. Pakishare naman po ng live para naman upload tayo ng iba. Para muling para mabuhay na umangat uli yung ano ko saan sa YouTube kasi ano talaga natulog yung ano sa YouTube napabayaan ko siya, di siya naasikaso. Yun. Umiyan ang views natin. Bumaba yung mga views natin, engagement, yan. Ay, mabayo tayo muli, no? Ayun na ang ating mga mga viewers. Maraming salamat sa inyong panood. Ano ba yung gusto sabihin? Ano ba yung gusto pag-usapan natin?